Hey, what's going on, team? It's Ricky with TechBit Solutions here with a super quick stock market update. Stocks are trending lower just due to that same selling pressure. Nothing new has changed. I was just talking to my Learn Plan Profit group. It's very easy to see market direction. You just kind of have to take a step back. And what I mean by that is look at larger time frames. I hope none of you guys are forcing an entry and going long if your intention is to day trade, right? When direction is very clear, right? We're trading below the moving average. We're making lower highs, lower lows. There's no reason that if you're trying to day trade that you should be going long right now, right? If direction begins to change, then we should see higher highs and higher lows above the moving average, but we definitely don't have that as of right now. There were a series of economic reports that were released during, pre-market and normal market hours. A lot of them came in a little bit better than expected, but remember, right now, good news is bad news and bad news is good news. So again, just fueling the fire of why the market is selling off leading up to this up and coming, not just inflation report on the 13th of December, but also the interest rate hike on the 14th of December. But I wanted to make sure that you guys have a couple days in advance to be aware of this. There's a PPI report, and this is going to be on Friday 1 hour before the market opens. That is at 8:30 a.m. Eastern time, or for Arizona people, it's at 6:30 a.m. Mountain Standard Time. What is a PPI report? Again, we've made a video on this. It's the Producer Price Index. CPI, which is known as our inflation report, is on the consumer side of things. PPI is on the producing side of things. So again, it is to be considered that PPI reports are kind of like a way to be able to forecast CPI reports, because if producers see an increase or decrease in inflation, then it should be brought down to the consumers or trickle down to the consumers later down the road, right? So it's not as important and it doesn't have as much of an influence because not enough people pay attention to the PPI report versus the CPI, because at the end of the day, everyone's always more focused on the consumer than they are on the producer. But for those that are traders or those that are investors, please make sure that you take time and learn more about the PPI report, especially because it's going to get released 1 hour before the market opens on Friday. I'm thinking of live streaming it. I'll leave it up to you guys. If you guys get this video to over 1,500 likes, I'd be more than happy to live stream that video for you guys. And once that report comes out, to see if the market reacts in a positive or negative way. And also, we have initial claims and continuing claims tomorrow, which is, again, should have some form of impact on the overall market. So that's going to be 1 hour before the market opens, and I will not be live streaming that. So just so you guys are aware. But again, it's very easy to understand overall market direction. We are trading below the moving average. Keep it simple. Understand that today is just one day out of the entire year and out of your entire career as a trader, right? Or as an investor. Do not force a trade when direction is very clear that it's not in your favor, right? You have nothing but time to make money. Understand that sometimes no position is a better position than forcing an open position in a bear market, especially if you're not comfortable shorting. Congratulations to all of our Learn Plan Profit traders that shorted the market today. It's not a crazy day, even if you did short. SQQQ is up 1.5% today. Hopefully you lock in profits because, again, SQQQ is not an investment vehicle. It's just a nice way to be able to hedge your position, your long-term plays, and make some money on the day today. So I appreciate your time. I'm sorry that today's video is super short and sweet. There's just not much of an update. There's not much news updates. It's literally just the continuing concern of the Federal Reserve and their up and coming interest rate hike. People are not sold on the idea that they're going to only raise interest rates 0.5%. They think that they might go back to 0.75%, and this is why we're seeing that selling pressure. So if you have any questions for me, I'm available 24/7. Just shoot me a direct message via Discord, and that's that first link in the description. If you want to be able to watch me trade live every single day, that's that second link in the description down below, and we are running a sale right now, so if you want to take advantage of that. If you want to be able to message me on Instagram, that's that third link in the description. And friendly reminder, we are giving away these items and $2,000 cash and a PS5. If you want to learn more about how to enter that giveaway, that is that fourth link in the description down below. I am using the Webull trading application, and if you want to use that, that's that fifth link in the description. I appreciate your time. Hope that it earned a thumbs up. I'm excited to see if we can host that PPI report, but I'll leave it up to you guys. Like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.